In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add shapes in Microsoft Excel, so let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Okay, so here we just need to simply look at the ribbon and we can find all of these tabs or options. Click on the insert option and here you can find illustrations. Now click on this drop down and here you can find shapes. Okay, click on this drop down and choose the shape that you want to add into your Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay, so you just have to basically click on that shape and you will notice this plus sign symbol on your blank sheet. You just need to simply drag that and there you will have the shape. Now once you have added a shape, you can find the shape format tab. You have here for the shape fill. Click on the drop down and choose the color that you want. For the shape outline, you can choose that from here if you want to increase the weight of the outline. Okay, you have also here for the shape effects if you want to add any effects. Okay, that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.